Hi, this is an overview of AdScope, a tool for detecting malicious or misleading material in creative advertisements. And analyzing advertisements for malicious intent is difficult to do and time-consuming, especially at the current scale of digital advertising. New AI tools provided by IBM Watson can power new software to extract more data from our digital content at speed. In this demo, I'm going to show you how AdScope operates and some of its capabilities, and I'll also discuss in particular how some new services from IBM Watson make all of this possible. So let's start by analyzing an ad creative on AdScope. And we interact with AdScope through this conversational dialogue. This makes it really simple and easy to operate. So let's start by uploading a file. Let's upload a file. And I'm going to upload a misleading ad we pulled from a social media network. This ad is marketing some type of hair loss, and what we're doing right now is uploading it to AdScope, and it's analyzing the advertisement, and it's going to provide us some classifications and more information.
35% misleading.
So you can see AdScope provides us kind of two classifications here. One is a percentage of how acceptable an ad may be, and you'll see this was given a 35%, so that's quite low. We also have a textual classification here, and this particular one is classified as misleading. And this classification is determined through several pieces of information. So first, you'll see in this ad creative, we've identified all the text. IBM Watson gives us capabilities to identify text in images and then transcribes that into text we can read. AdScope has gone ahead and analyzed this transcription, and you'll notice it's flagged a couple phrases it finds as a little misleading or malicious. Things such as one simple trick, reveals simple, and secret that. These phrases tend to imply that this ad might be a little misleading. We can also extract a sentiment analysis from this text, and this can identify whether or not the ad might be trying to push an individual emotionally in one direction or another, and IBM Watson allows us to do all of this. Additionally, this textual classification comes from a custom visual model also powered by IBM Watson, and this is very interesting new technology, so let me show you how this works. So this is our new IBM Watson Studio dashboard, which kind of puts all of our AI technologies into one location. I'm going to open up our visualizer project we created for this. And we'll see a lot of basic information here, some pre-trained visual models. There's a lot more stuff we can go through, but to keep this demo short, I'm just going to talk about this custom visual model that leverages a few of these data sets of images I've uploaded here. So if we click into our custom model, we have basic overview. I'm going to edit it to show you what it looks like. And you'll see we've pre-trained this model on a couple sets of images. I have some dogs, some Bernese mountain dogs, some other images of animals, and then one particular called misleading ads. And this is amazing technology because previously creating a custom visual model required a lot of code, domain expertise, and it's very hard to integrate that into new cloud applications, especially quickly. This new visual model allowed me to create a custom model, not just extracting simple content from images like this is a dog, but even classify what a misleading ad tends to look like. On top of that, we can do this in an extremely small set of images, so really powerful technology that you can leverage quickly and easily. And this allows us to create an ad score. Now let's try this on a little bit more of a difficult ad creative and see how AdScope deals with this. Let's upload another file. Okay, and we're going to upload another creative here. And this advertisement might be a bit harder to judge, not just because it's more creative, but also it's in Spanish. And even if I'm an expert as a creative ad reviewer, I still might not understand. So you'll see AdScope rated this as acceptable, and let's see how it did that. So first it transcribed all of our text, but additionally it also translated it. So it's able to put this into a format that not only can I understand, but the technology might be better suited to understand given the entire context of this application. And once AdScope has completed this, we're now able to complete our own analysis and leverage this information in any particular way. Lastly, how might AdScope operate at scale? So let's see how this application could analyze a lot of ad images, especially if a human isn't around to take a look at all times. Can you show me any recently classified misleading advertisements? So here the program, AdScope, may show us recent ads that it automatically classified as misleading. So we can kind of funnel them through here like almost like a fluid, and AdScope will filter out these ads as they're coming in, and all this technology is powered by some of these new AI tools from IBM Watson. And on that note, moving forward, we can incorporate even more analytics tools such as facial recognition, celebrity face recognition, as well as scene detection, and these will continue to give us a clearer and clearer picture of creative intent without the need for human analysis. And that's all for AdScope. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.